Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has successfully outmaneuvered President Emmerson Mnangagwa, ending his bid to extend his rule beyond 2028. Chiwenga, who led the 2017 coup against Robert Mugabe, resisted Mnangagwa's 2030 vision ambitions. Their 2017 alliance, intended as a temporary partnership, fractured due to Mnangagwa's extended rule ambitions. Mnangagwa's narrow 2018 election win and controversial 2023 victory escalated tensions. Mnangagwa's shift to Central Intelligence Organization support and failed attempt to bring General Philip Valerio Sibanda into the ZANU-PF Politburo ultimately led to his concession. Chiwenga's allies had threatened a silent coup if Mnangagwa continued. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.